How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be doing a Kegel workout. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So the exercise that I will be doing today is going to be leg raises. Leg raises for your Kegels are actually really, really good. We'll do 7 reps. I'm not feeling 10 and I'm not really feeling 5, somewhere in the middle. So we'll do 7 reps. 10 sets, 70 repetitions, which is quite a bit of volume. But if you watch my channel, you know I'm a big believer in volume for everything. Everything volume is better in my opinion. So let's get started. We'll do 7 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Just like that. Okay. So yeah, what's on my mind, again, that's what I talked about during my rest periods, is I'm killing it today with the videos. This is my 11th video of the day, so I'm smashing the videos. I'm gonna do 18, so 18 in total. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of a break, maybe an hour, 2 hours, and just watch some movies or stuff, we'll see. But yeah, really good today, just killing it. Something that I have been thinking about quite a bit is just what I'm going to do for a job after my current job is done, which will be next February or next September. I'm hoping that it's next September, just because if it's next September, 110% my mortgage will be paid off. If it's next February, then it's going to be very close, depending on when I get a job. And again, it'll be really close for paying off the mortgage. But again, want it to be next September. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. But yeah, some possible jobs. Again, I've been looking at jobs for the last 3-4 months. Some possible, and again, in those 3 to 4 months, I have literally found maybe 3 or 4 jobs that I am interested in. So it's been just a struggle. Again, I shouldn't really be doing this just because I do have a job, and I should be looking maybe a month before my job's done, not like a year and a half before my job's done. But I like doing things ahead of time just so I'm well prepared. So the possible jobs that I was thinking about, again, I'm not doing medical transcription now, so that's completely done. That's completely out of the water. I won't be doing that, so that's not a possible job. Even though I would never do that for a job. Now that I've done it for 7 months, doing the schooling, could not do it. So with that being said, some of the jobs that I have found is a warehouse job. Even though when I was working at another job, where we were kind of like we were the service guys, so we would go out and we would fix things with office furniture. I hated being in the warehouse. There were days that we weren't busy, so we had to stay in the warehouse. Freaking hated it. I absolutely hated it. What I eventually did is I started calling in, and yeah, I just absolutely hated it. So yeah, don't like that. But I found a couple jobs that were warehouse that kind of looked not too bad. Because again, when we were in the warehouse, we were just kind of messing around. We had nothing to do. We weren't actually working because there was no work to do because we weren't actually warehouse people. But I think it would be a little bit different if you're actually working as a warehouse person. So possible warehouse work. My main thing right now, like the main go-to that I'm really counting on, is call center. I want to do a call center job where I get to sit at home and I get to talk on the phone. I'm really good at talking. I talk on here all day long on YouTube. Pretty good at talking to people. Even though I would say I have quite a bit of social anxiety, I'm still really good at talking to people, which is really weird. I don't know how the hell that works, but call center, my #1 job. Hoping to get a job in call center. Just because I can work from home, make my own hours. If I was doing that too, I would probably work full time. I would not do part time just because it's something that I like and it's working from home. Anything that can work from home is amazing. If you guys have anything that I could do working from home, comment below, let me know. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's kind of why I took the medical transcriptionist course, because it is working from home, and that's what really got me into it. But yeah, it did not work out. So again, call center, warehouse, And then I was also thinking about a couple of possible cleaning jobs. Not like going in homes and like vacuuming the room, not that sort of cleaning stuff. Like bus cleaning, LRT cleaning, stuff like that. There were a couple of jobs for the city that have came up, and they're actually really decent money compared to that you don't need any education. Again, minimum wage in Canada or Alberta is I think it's $15, maybe it's $15.50, but I'm pretty sure it's $15. So this job, the call center job, would probably pay $20, $21, which isn't too bad. But this cleaning job for the buses and LRT can pay $26. That's really good considering that's zero education. You literally don't need any education. You're literally just cleaning up gum, washing the windows, stuff like that. Super easy shit. The only thing that sucks about it is that it's a 24/7 operation because there's always buses working, so they have to be clean, everything has to be tidy. So with that being said, there is a night shift. There's day shift, evening shift, and night shift. I cannot work evening or night shift just because of some medical stuff that happened in the past. So I'm really stuck to day shift. So if I got hired, I don't think they would let me just do day shift. So I don't think that would be a possibility, but I would still apply and just see if it's an option. I'd go for the interview and just ask them if I could do day shift only. So yeah, I have a couple of different options. And again, if you guys are wondering, man, those are some shitty jobs. Like, what the hell are you doing? I worked really hard when I was younger. Again, I'm super young right now. I'm not really that old. But when I was 18, 19, 18 to about 20, 24, I had a very good, well actually for 18 to 19, I had a very good job in the oil field. And then from 19 to 24, that's when I did my electrical. So those 6 years, I made some phenomenal money and I was very smart with it. And then 24 till now, I had some pretty decent jobs as well too. Pretty high paying jobs. So I really am not strapped for money, and I put it in investments. So I have investment money, and now I have the YouTube channel, which is really freaking taking off. Like, I'm getting a ton of views per month. So so I really don't need a career. I can kind of just get by on doing like odd jobs, like jobs that don't really pay that well. And I think it's better to go that route, just because I don't, honestly, I hated my jobs when I was younger. I could not stand them. So I don't really think I could start a career anytime in the future. And maybe sometime in the future I could, but I just don't see myself right now like spending 4 or 5 years learning something or going to school. I already went to school for the last 7 months for the medical transcription. It did not work out. So for now, I'm just gonna do like jobs that really don't require schooling, and they pay okay, but not really the best. I mean, compare it to like what I was an electrician at the time. I was making, I won't say how much I was making, but I was making really good money. But yeah, you're not gonna get that kind of money without schooling. Any kind of job you need schooling to get, unless you're working very far away from home in an isolated area that nobody wants to work, then you'll get higher paying jobs if you do that. Or if you're working in adverse weather where the weather is absolute shit, then you'll get more money as well. But again, those are the possible jobs that I have been thinking of. Keep in mind too, my wife also works, so all the expenses that I do have, they're all cut in half because she works. Next year our mortgage will be paid off, so neither one of us will have to put any money towards that anymore. And again, all of our expenses are split. So right now I have like barely any expenses, and the expenses that I do are split in half. So yeah, I really don't need like a high paying job. I can just get away with decent job and then my YouTube and my investments. But yeah, again, this is just something I talk about. I make like 30 videos. Today I'm making 30 videos a day. If I don't talk about these kind of things in between rest periods, I would get super bored and I would literally just sit here like not talking. So that'd be pretty boring. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. Thank you.